So now let's look at an applied problem. We've looked at the basics, now let's apply it. Assume the selling price per unit is $15 and the variable cost per unit are $9. Calculate the contribution margin and the contribution margin percentage. Now, I'm not going to go into the details of this. This is what you learn in your course. I'm just going to go into how you work it out. So your contribution margin is equal to your sales price minus your variable cost. Okay, now if I go back, selling price is 15, variable cost is 9. So that's 15 take away 9, which is going to be $6. Okay, so that's my contribution margin. Now to get the percentage, the contribution margin percentage, okay, that's going to be your contribution margin over your selling price. So that there is your fraction, which you then convert to a percentage by timesing by 100. Okay, so let's look at our details. Contribution margin was 6. Our selling price was 15. And we're going to times that by 100. So 6 divided by 15 times by 100 gives me 40%. So your contribution margin percentage is 40%. Now that's part A. Part B says, if we have sales of 240,000, what would be the contribution margin from these sales? Okay, now the contribution margin would be that percentage of the selling price. So your contribution margin is going to be 40% of the sales, which is 240,000. So that's 40 over 100 times by your 240,000. So go to your calculator, 40 divided by 100 times by your 240,000, and you end up getting $96,000 as your contribution margin.